Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use built-in roller on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. Make sure turn on edge panels and click on panels and select tools panel. After select tools panel, go back to home screen and you will see you will see edge panel is here. If you want to use built-in ruler, so click on this three dot icon and click on ruler and you will see. After use ruler, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.